emergency.
A new study finds harmful cancer-causing chemicals in certain synthetic braiding hair products. Channel 2's Audrey Washington spoke with some health experts and social justice scholars about why those harmful products, Audrey, are mostly marketed to black women.
Right. The report about cancer-causing chemicals found in synthetic braiding hair is sending shockwaves through the beauty industry. But now some health professionals believe these products that are targeted to black women and girls specifically are a form of environmental racism.
You can dress it up or down because of the curls.
By now, we've all seen them. The flashy beauty supply ads usually displayed in black neighborhoods that promote braiding hair products. But recently, some of those products were tested and the results are disturbing.
Not knowing if I may be a candidate of cancer in the future or now, I don't know.
A Consumer Reports study found cancer-causing chemicals in all 10 brands of braiding hair tested. 3 had the chemical benzene.
Benzene is mostly linked to leukemias.
Chemist and Emory University professor of environmental health, Carmen Marcet, explained how the chemical disrupts the body.
And it's this chemical that can go in and bind to your DNA and lead to mutations. And so it's that what could go on to form a cancer.
We reached out to all 10 companies whose products were tested. Only 2 responded. Both companies stated their products are safe and questioned the testing methods. But Dr. Marcet says benzene doesn't need to be ingested in order to be harmful.
It's near your face, so that's in your breathing zone.
In 2024, I first spoke with Dr. Marcet after the FDA proposed a ban on certain chemical hair straighteners that were found to cause cancer. Those products mostly marketed and used by black women and girls. So I had to ask, is the placement of these products in majority black communities a form of environmental racism?
I think it plays a big part. I mean, it's really a history of these types of products being marketed to black women.
It's the pollutant, it's the toxin.
Professor Dr. Tara Taylor with Morehouse College.
I would definitely say that racism is at the core with regards to when any time a particular group is disproportionately impacted.
This is, in my mind, a public health emergency.
Dermatologist Dr. Aaliyah Brown has treated patients who developed serious scalp and hand rashes from synthetic braids. She says the rashes combined with the new cancer risk should sound health alarms nationwide.
Unfortunately, there also are some biases that exist with healthcare and people of color and disparities.
Hairstylist Dion James tells me she developed health issues after decades of braiding and inhaling fumes from synthetic hair.
I have suffered from benign tumors, so now I'm starting to think that maybe it may correlate to the hair.
Is this braiding hair poisoning black women?
Of course it is.
Cancer-causing chemicals in synthetic braiding hair? What every black woman must know. Do you love rocking braids, twists, or faux locks? That smooth, glossy synthetic hair may look amazing. But what if I told you that it could be silently releasing cancer-causing chemicals right next to your scalp? Yes, research is uncovering dangerous toxins in many popular braiding hair brands, and black women are the main targets. Stay with me, because in this video, we're breaking down what's really hiding in synthetic hair and what you can do to protect your health without sacrificing your style. This could save your life or someone you love. Section 1. What's in synthetic braiding hair? Most synthetic braiding hair is made from something called monocrylic fiber. This is a type of plastic that contains a mix of chemicals, including acrylonitrile and vinyl chloride. Here's the scary part. The Environmental Protection Agency has listed acrylonitrile as a probable human carcinogen. Vinyl chloride, even worse. It's been directly linked to liver, brain, and lung cancers and is classified as a Group 1 carcinogen by the World Health Organization. That means it definitely causes cancer in humans. Section 2. How dangerous are these chemicals? Let's talk about how these chemicals affect you. Every time you wear synthetic hair, especially for long periods, you're placing these fibers right next to your scalp, one of the most absorbent parts of your body. When the hair is dipped in hot water or heat sealed to finish your style, it can release fumes and microparticles into the air. That means you're not just touching these chemicals, you're breathing them in. A recent study by Consumer Reports and Harvard researchers found that benzene, another known carcinogen, was detected in synthetic hair used by millions of black women. Repeated exposure has been linked to leukemia and reproductive harm. Let that sink in. A hairstyle we wear with pride could be putting our health at risk. Section 3. Why Black women are most affected. This isn't just a health issue, it's a justice issue. Black women make up the majority of consumers of synthetic braiding hair, and yet, there are almost no regulations on the chemicals used in these products. No clear warnings, no ingredients list, no protection. We are being targeted and underserved by the beauty industry. Section 4. Real stories, real symptoms. Many women report itchy scalps, burning sensations, headaches, and even nosebleeds after installing braiding hair. But very few realize that these are early signs of chemical exposure. One woman said, "I loved wearing braids, but every time I got them, I had migraines and burning around my hairline. I never thought it could be the hair itself." Another shared, "I left my braids in for 8 weeks and had breathing problems. Turns out I was reacting to the synthetic fiber." Section 5. What can you do about it? The good news? There are steps you can take to stay safe and still rock your favorite styles. Here's what we recommend. 1. Wash synthetic hair before use with apple cider vinegar or baking soda soaks. This removes surface chemicals and reduces irritation. 2. Choose Kanekalon hair over Toyokalon. It's slightly safer, though still synthetic. 3. Explore natural fiber options like human hair or eco-friendly braiding hair made from banana fiber or silk protein. 4. Always style in well-ventilated areas, especially when using hot water. 5. Rotate styles and give your scalp time to breathe. Avoid long-term use of synthetic styles. Section 6. Demand safer products. We need more than personal precautions. We need industry accountability. Let's demand clear labeling of ingredients, health warnings on packaging, independent safety testing, regulation from public health agencies. Your voice matters. Share this video. Talk to your hairstylist. Tag your favorite brands and ask for transparency. We deserve beauty without harm. At Ace Healthline, we believe in looking good and living well. Don't let hidden toxins steal your health. Stay informed, stay protected, and remember, your beauty should never come at the cost of your well-being. If this video opened your eyes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Together, we can braid safer and live stronger.
The information in Ace Healthline channel is for educational purposes only, compiled from open sources, and does not substitute professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor for any health-related concerns. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms discussed above, please consult a healthcare professional or your doctor immediately. Let us know where you're watching from, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay informed on health topics that matter. Thank you for watching.